the resolving power. We have also discussed about the Rayleigh criteria. Resolving power means when light passes from uh, any uh, any optical instrument. The optical instrument has ability to resolve them. Resolve them means they have make separate them. This is known as resolving power. Different optical instruments have different resolving power. Yes. So next we have discussed about the uh, Rayleigh criteria. Rayleigh criteria means, you know, this is very important. Rayleigh criteria is very important because this optical instrument working on Rayleigh criteria. Rayleigh criteria means the maxima of first one. The minima of first one falls on the maxima of second one, and minima of second one falls on the minima of second one falls on the maxima of first one. First maxima, second minima just below, and second maxima, first minima, so that we can easily resolve two close wavelengths of light. This criterion is known as Rayleigh criterion. If you have anyone have doubts, you to ask me. Hello, Neha.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, any doubt, any question to ask me. Otherwise, I proceed further. Vansika, any doubt, Pita? Any question, doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Parth, any doubt, question?
No, sir.
So, again, I want to proceed further about I tell you that different optical instrument has different resolving power. Telescope have different resolving power. Microscope have different resolving power. But it is not my syllabus. In my syllabus, since we are doing experiment or rating in lab, so in my syllabus it is mentioned that resolving power of rating. So I want to discuss about the resolving power of rating. Clear? Yes or no? So I want, what is the resolving power? The ratio of lambda upon d lambda is known as resolving power. So I already tell you different operators, different optical instruments have different resolving power. So I want to discuss about the resolving power of a grating. Okay, clear? Yes or no? So I want to proceed for the resolving power of grating. So kindly wait for a minute because I am going to share my PowerPoint. Have you seen a PowerPoint on the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
My PowerPoint is visible on screen, so I proceed further. Hello.
Yes, sir. Visible. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I already have discussed all these points. So I want to discuss about the. This is very important in the examination to ask. Numerical is also going to ask about the resolving power of grating. This is topic. So suppose that we have taken two close wavelengths of light and passing from the grating. So we have to calculate the resolving power. So what is resolving power? Again I discussed about this one. The resolving power of grating represents, I will tell you that it represents the ability of the optical instrument to make separate two close wavelengths of light in different wavelengths. So lambda upon d lambda is known as the resolving power, where d lambda is the smallest to smallest wavelength difference that can be resolved by the optical instrument. So you can say that resolving power of grating represents its ability to form separate spectral lines for a wavelength very close together. It is measured by lambda upon d lambda. I already tell you, d lambda is the smallest wavelength difference that can be just resolved at wavelength lambda. So now I want to consider about that. Let me consider that if any light wave having two wavelengths, if I consider a light wave having two wavelengths, suppose that this is lambda lambda plus d lambda. What is d lambda? D lambda is very small difference of light. You can't see by simple eyes. So we have taken light wave having two close wavelengths of light, lambda and lambda plus d lambda. D lambda means very small difference of wavelength, or incident normally on grating. Suppose that this will be incident on grating, and diffraction pattern is observed at point P1 and P2, and they have followed the Rayleigh criteria, and these spectral lines are just resolved. Again, I want to tell you that we have passes a light wave. They have very close to wavelength. One is lambda. When lambda d lambda is very small difference between them, are incident normally on grating, and after the diffraction pattern on grating, we get the diffraction pattern at point P1 and P2. So they have followed the condition of Rayleigh criteria, and this spectral line is just resolved. So I want to show by figure how can this spectral line is resolved. So this is the figure. This is the figure by which the resolved. They have resolved. A second, they have followed the Rayleigh criteria. This is getting. I tell you that this is B. This is this is getting means light number of slit 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is getting. The light passes from getting. Light is passes from getting. This light passes from getting. I tell you that light have two wavelengths of light. One is lambda and other is lambda plus d lambda. So what is when light passes from here? So diffraction takes place. So one is we get the diffraction pattern at point P1, and we get the diffraction pattern as point P2. So when lambda is diffracted at theta angle, this is for nth order, and this one lambda plus d lambda is diffracted angle d theta. So you said this is for nth order, so I tell you that d theta n. The first lambda is diffracted at theta angle, and second one is diffracted at theta n plus d theta n. So this angle is d theta n. So the lambda has diffraction. The first wave lambda, the diffraction pattern is obtained at point P1, and second one is lambda plus d lambda. The diffraction pattern is obtained at point P2. So according to Rayleigh criteria, the maxima of there is one is maxima and there is minima. This is the maxima. This is the maxima of wavelength lambda, and just below this is the minima of second one, and similarly this is the maxima of second one, and this is the minima of first one. They have followed the Rayleigh criteria. This is screen. This is screen where we have observed and so on. This is screen where we have get the where we get the diffraction pattern. Again, I tell you, so know that this is B. This is suppose that this is grating. What is grating? Grating is a large number of slits. A large number of slits, light passes from here. So what is this? When light passes from grating, we get the diffraction pattern. Diffraction pattern means when light passes from here, I tell you that we have taken two close wavelengths of light. One is lambda and another is lambda plus d lambda. It is not possible for simple eyes to make separate him. So we have passes this one from grating, and grating has ability to make it separate. This is known as resolving power. When light suppose is passing from here, the first wavelength lambda is diffracted angle theta 1, and second wave lambda plus d lambda, this is lambda plus d lambda, is diffracted angle theta n plus d theta n. Difference between this is theta n. So we have get the diffraction pattern at point P1, and we have get the diffraction pattern P2. First wave lambda is P1 and d lambda is P2. I already tell you that they have get the they have followed the Rayleigh criteria. What is Rayleigh criteria? Rayleigh criteria means one is maxima, second is minima. So first is first wavelength is maxima and second is minima. Similarly, in the case of second one, second one has maxima and first one has minima, and so on, and so on, and so on. So that we get they have followed any criteria, and we get the diffraction pattern at P1 and P2. So we want to calculate the resolving power. Any question, doubt to ask me. My dear friend, I explained you about the grating, how can light passes from there and diffraction takes place. You know there are two wavelengths, wavelength lambda and lambda plus d lambda. What is d lambda? D lambda is very small difference. So when passes from the grating has diffraction pattern for diffraction angle for different wavelength. Theta L is the diffraction angle for lambda wavelength, and d theta plus d theta N, you can say theta d theta is the diffraction angle for the second wave lambda plus d lambda. So we get the two different pattern on the screen, diffraction pattern P1 and P2, and this follow the Rayleigh criteria. So we get the in such a way two closed wavelengths of light is resolved when passing from the grating. Any light, any closed wavelength of light when passing from the grating has ability to make resolve, means they make separate them and so on. Yes, anybody have any question? Hello? Anyone have any doubt question to ask me? Hello?
Sir, have you shared
this slide in the LMS?
Hello? Yes, everything. Today it will be uploaded. Okay, LMS. Okay. When I finish, then I upload. Okay. Already diffraction already I uploaded. Today I finished this one, so this will be uploaded. Okay, Jasandeep, any question to anybody? Otherwise, I proceed further. If you have any doubt to ask me. Hello, my dear friend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want to proceed further.
Yes, sir.
So I want to, again I tell you that how can we get the, resolve too close? When light passes from the wavelength, so what is the, when light passes from the grating has ability to resolve them. So lambda wavelength of light is diffracted theta L, and lambda plus d lambda is diffracted at d theta plus d theta plus d theta N. So we have get the diffraction pattern P1 and P2, two diffraction pattern are two closed wavelengths of light. In such a way, grating is used to resolve the two closed wavelengths of light. So I want to proceed further. What is I want to know? Again, I want to add point P1. At point P1, there are two points, point P1 and P2. At point P1, the equation for nth order wavelength lambda is A plus B sin theta. Already I want to go back. I discussed about the plane transmission rating. Equation number 5. Equation number 5, this is the condition for getting A plus B theta is equal to L lambda. So, I have taken this equation for grating at point P. The equation of grating is at point P, the equation for nth order of wavelength is A plus B sin theta is equal to L lambda. This is at P1. Similarly, at point P2, the equation for nth order of wavelength lambda plus D lambda. Second wavelength is this one, lambda did well. So this is A plus B. What is diffraction angle? Diffraction angle is theta plus d theta is equal to, this is L lambda, and what is the value of lambda for second one? The value is lambda plus d lambda. Again, if capital N is the total number of lines on the grating surface, then the extra part difference is created by each slit is one line of spectra is lambda by n. So I want to go back. Again, this is figure. It is given, there is the part difference between this one, P1, P2, they have part difference, and this part difference is lambda by n, because the wavelength of light is lambda, and there is n slit. So the part difference between two consecutive, you can say single slit is lambda by n. So that this is the given. If n is the total number of lines, so that part difference between them, each slit, one slit is lambda by n. So this equation can be written as like equation 1. At P2, we can write that, P2 means A plus B sin theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to theta plus d theta, because P2 is for d lambda. And what is wavelength? Wavelength is lambda, L lambda plus. What is the part difference between them? Part difference is lambda by n. So this is equation 3. So again I want to take about the equation 2. Equation 2 is a plus b sine theta plus d theta is equal to n lambda plus d lambda. You know, again, this is equation 2 because we have taken this point P2. And what is point P2? The wavelength is lambda plus d lambda and angle is theta plus d theta. So, you know, I have added only theta plus d theta. This is a plus b sine theta is equal to n lambda. So, this is equal to a plus b sine theta plus d theta is equal to L lambda by lambda plus d. When the part difference between these two rays lambda by n, so you can also write here a plus b, this value, a plus b. What is at point P2? This is theta plus d theta and L lambda plus lambda by n. So compare equation 2 and 3. If I compare equation 2 and 3, so a plus b sine theta plus d theta equal to n lambda plus d lambda, and this one. And this one is n lambda plus lambda. So, you know, I want to solve this one, n lambda plus d, you know, I want to open this bracket, n lambda plus n d lambda is equal to n lambda plus lambda by n. This is n lambda, this is mistake. This is n lambda by n. This is mistake. Okay. So, you know, n lambda is cancel out. N lambda is cancel out. What I want to calculate? I want to calculate the resolving power, and already I tell you that resolving power is equal to lambda by d lambda. So, you know, n lambda, this is cancel out. So what is n d lambda is equal to lambda by n. So I want to call lambda by d lambda means this is lambda by d lambda is equal to n into capital N. What is n? Small n is number of order, capital N is a number of slits. So you can say that first one, the resolving power is directly proportional to number of order of spectra n, and resolving power is also directly proportional to the total number of lines on the grating. So, you know, if I want to calculate the resolving power, if I want to calculate the resolving power of grating, I tell you that different operators have different resolving power. I am talking about only I'm talking about only grating, and lambda by d lambda is equal to small n and capital N. What is small n? Small n is the number of order. First order, second order, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First order, second order, third order, and capital N is a number of slits. So, you know, this is so that the resolving power of grating is equal to n into capital N. It means that resolving power of grating is directly proportional to small n and capital N. Small n is number of order and directly proportional to capital N. Capital N means number of lines on the grating, number of slits, you can say that. Yes, any doubt, any question to ask me? My dear friend, hello. So you keep in mind that, hello.
Lambda by capital N कैसे है?
Hello, yes.
Sir, lambda by capital N कैसे आया था?
Lambda by, yes, you know. You know, it is, what is this going, there's hello, please, in the grating, you know, in the grating, there are n slit. N slit, you know, so it is not possible to calculate the each and every part difference. When light lambda is passes from there, it is divided into n different you know, so you know what is the difference, you know, part difference, two slit means each slit means one, so it is divided by n. So this formula is given, it is given, this is property, if capital N is the total number of lines on the grating surface, then extra part difference will be, for each slit will be lambda by n. It is taken from here. So the part difference between two spectrum is lambda by n. So I have added here a plus b sine theta plus d theta to n lambda plus lambda by n. And again I have compared equation 2 and 3. So you know very well a plus b sine theta plus d theta is equal to L lambda plus d lambda is equal to L lambda plus. This is from equation 2. This value is from 2, and this value from equation 3. So when these are same, so I open this bracket. So what is this? N lambda plus L d lambda is equal to N lambda plus lambda by n. This L, you know, this lambda, N lambda, this is same value to cancel out, so that N d lambda is equal to lambda by n. So lambda quantity is lambda is equal to n into n. where n is small, n is the number of number of orders, and capital N is the total number of lines on the grating. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone question? Any doubt? Anyone? Hello. Hello. Anyone have any doubt?
Sir, can you repeat what is small n and what is capital N?
Small n number of order. Number of order means light passes from here the first order, second order, third order, fourth order. This is known as order, and it's got to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we have taken n equal to 1, this is first order. If you have taken n equal to 2, this is second order. If you take n equal to 3, this is third order. And what is capital N? Capital N means number of lines on the grating. Total number of lines, it is 10,000, 15,000 per inch. So this is known as capital N. Number of slit, number of lines on the grating, this is known as capital N. And n equal to n equal to 1, 2, 3, n equal to 1 first order, n equal to 2 in second order, we take the value of n. This is known as number of order. Order means if we have taken n equal to 1, so this is known as first order. If you take n equal to 0, this is known as second order. If you take n equal to 2, this is second order. If you n equal to 3, third order, and so on. So this is known as small n is number of orders, and capital N is very large. Capital number large means total number of rulings on the grating, number of slits. It will be 1,000, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 5,000. Plus order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. So capital N is very large. Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I want to discuss some objectives, MCQs, multiple choice question. I want to discuss this one. Okay. Kindly wait. Have you seen on screen something? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I want to take out the first question. Have you seen a screen? What is first question? The resolving power of grating is given by lambda by 2, lambda by d
The B.
lambda,
Sir,
d
B.
lambda by lambda, none of this. Which answer?
The B.
B, sir, B.
Who's speaking B? All of you with
Pass.
B?
Sir, B.
Hello,
B,
all
sir,
of you
B.
are with B?
Yes, sir.
Sir, B.
B, good, good. So this is B. Clear? Let's go. Which of the following condition is essential for observing? Which of the following condition is essential for observing Fraunhofer diffraction? So first one is source must be close to slit and screen should be at infinite distance. Both source and screen must be close to slit. This is B option. C option is source must be at infinite and screen should be close to the slit. D option, both source and screen must be at infinity. Forgetting the Fraunhofer.
D.
Yes.
D.
Sir, D.
D. Everyone with D. Anyone? Everyone with D. Sahil.
Yes, sir, D.
Everyone with D.
Yes, sir,
Neha.
D.
Neha, what do you answer? Neha. Yes. Kiti, what is your name? This. Vidhi. Vidhi, are you want to say something?
Sir, option D.
Very good. Very smart. Thank you. So I want to see what is the answer. This is the answer. Both are infinite. Very good, Shabas. Next question. The condition for minima in Fraunhofer diffraction for single slit is A sin theta is equal to L lambda. What is theta? Theta is the angle of incidence of incident ray at the slit. B is angle at which diffracted ray strikes the screen. C, angle between the slit and screen. D, the angle of diffraction at which the ray are diffracted at slit?
Sir, D.
Sir, D.
Which one is the correct answer?
D, sir.
D.
All of you with D?
Yes, sir.
Anyone other than D? Hello? Hello? Vidhi? What do you answer?
Sir, D.
Very good. Rakshit? Rakshit?
Yes, sir, D.
So I want to go further. I hope the correct answer. Very good. Thank you to all of you. Again, I want to discuss about the next question. Okay, anyone had doubt? Anyone had doubt to ask me, my dear friend? Vansavir? Vansavir?
Yes, sir.
Vansavir?
Yes, sir.
It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So next question is, how shall the pattern change when light is used in front of a diffraction instead of monochrome light? The pattern will no longer be, we have to use white color of light instead of monochrome light. The pattern will be no longer be visible. The shape of the pattern will be changed from hyperbolic to circular. The colored pattern will be observed with a white bright finger at the center. The bright and dark fingers will change the position.
Sir,
Which
C.
is the correct? There are 4 options: A, B,
C.
D.
C.
Sir, C.
C.
So C.
C.
Hello. Anyone of you kindly tell me
Sir,
correct
C
answer?
answer.
Sir,
C.
C.
C. Who is
C.
spelling C?
Sir,
Sir,
Parth
everyone.
and everyone.
Anyone more? Partha.
Sir, C.
What answer? D. Sahil.
C. C.
C.
C, sir.
Sudiksha.
Sir, C.
Sudiksha,
C.
what do you answer? Sudiksha, what do you answer?
Sir, C.
Hmm? So colored fringes will form because if white light, but answer is C. When white light passes, then we get the colored fringes. Okay, so answer is C. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, I'll proceed further. The following pattern is observed for which experiment? Fabry-Pérot interferometer, double slit Fraunhofer diffraction, single slit Fraunhofer diffraction, and Fresnel diffraction.
Single slit, C.
Sir, C.
Anyone of
D,
you?
Sir,
D,
C.
yes.
Sir,
Yes. Anyone of
Sir,
you?
Sir,
C.
C.
C, sir.
Anyone of you? Anyone more? Mr. Satvik. Satvik is here? Satvik, you are here?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Yes, good. What is your answer? Tell me, Satvik.
C, sir. C.
D.
Yes, sir.
D. Okay, very good. Anyone more? Mr. Kapoor, Yash Kapoor. I am audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, good. What is the answer?
Sir,
Tell me.
C, single slit.
I hope your mic is working well. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Tell me the answer, Mr.
Sir,
Kapoor.
C, single
Yes.
slit for a diffraction.
Single slit CRD.
C, sir, C.
Kushagr. What is the answer? Kushagr Jain.
Yes, sir, C.
D. Already I discussed this one. I have already discussed this figure. Yeah, this is the Fraunhofer diffraction and single slit. We have already discussed, in detail. This is the first maxima and the, pi minima and 3 pi maxima and so on. I discussed this one. So answer is Fraunhofer diffraction and single slit. Any doubt, anyone? Hello, any doubt, anyone? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So next question, I'm talking about next question. By assuming the diffraction pattern, this is pattern and this is pattern. The two images are said to be just resolved when first A, the central maxima of one image coincide with the central maxima of the other? B. The central maxima of one do not coincide with the central maxima of other. C. The central maxima of one image coincide with the first minimum of the other. D. The central maxima of one image do not coincide with the first minima of the other. Which is the answer?
C. C.
C.
C.
D.
C.
C.
The C.
C.
C. How many students have this C? Vidhi, what is your answer, Vidhi?
Sir, C.
Very good. Anyone more?
Sir, C.
Sir, C.
Mohit.
C.
Mohit.
C.
Mohit, you.
C,
Yes,
sir.
Mohit.
C, sir.
C. All of you C.
Sir, C,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Oh, good. You are a very good student. So C is the answer. So this is the last. So I had discussed few questions about the diffraction. So I want to discuss again about the some numerical problems. Okay. This is I give you few questions so that you have to go to home. Sorry, you have to make practice. Okay. But there is some numerical problems also. So I want to discuss about the some numerical problems. Kindly wait, I am just here, okay? Have you seen a screen?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen
Yes,
something on
sir.
screen? Hello?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Asbel.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is first question. You solve it and tell me the answer. Okay, what is the first question you know very well? A parallel beam of monochrome light is allowed to incident. Just a minute. A parallel beam of monochrome light is allowed to incident normally on a plane diffraction grating having 5,000 lines per centimeter. This second order means n small n equal to 2. The second order spectral line is observed to be deviated through 30 degree. Calculate the wavelength of light, wavelength of spectral line. Which formula you use? Can you tell me? What is this formula? Which formula you use? Which formula you use? Tell me. Hello? Hello? Yes or no? Which formula you use? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
Vidhi? Which formula you use? Pass. Yes, tell me. Which formula you used?
I'm trying.
Yes, trying. Okay, no problem. Trying. Vidhi, which formula you used? Vidhi.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
d sine theta is equal to m lambda.
Sorry, what formula?
D sine theta is equal to m lambda.
What is the formula for getting? I tell you, today I tell you. What is the formula for getting? A plus B sine theta is equal to L lambda. Yes or no? Hello? Hello, my dear friend? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhapya,
Yes, sir.
you know what is formula? I tell you that A plus B sine theta L lambda.
Yes, sir.
A plus B means grating element. Theta is diffraction angle.
Yes, sir.
N is number of order. Lambda is wavelength of light. What is what is given? Number of lines per
Yes.
centimeter. So A plus is given. Second order means small n equal to 2. Theta is 30 degree. What you want to calculate? Lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is the wavelength of spectral lines. Tell me what is the value. A plus B sine theta equal to L lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is equal to A plus B sine theta divided by small n. The small n is given 2. Theta is given 30 degree. A plus is given 5,000 lines per centimeter. So you tell me what is the value of lambda? Lambda means wavelength. Are you doing? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's good.
625, sir.
Kitna? How much?
625.
625? No.
No, sir.
Sir,
Can you check
1
you are
by
doing well?
20,000 centimeter.
But you tell me the value is lambda in centimeter, meter, or angstrom. Kindly tell me the value in angstrom, okay? Maybe
Sir,
this will be-
125
what value?
Armstrong.
yes, Satvik.
125 Armstrong.
Okay, I'll discuss later. Huh? I'll keep your answer. Vanshika. Tushar. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Who is speaking?
Ariman.
Arman. Yes, Arman. Tell me, beta.
Sir, 556 nanometers.
Okay. Answer. Okay. But I tell you, I solve, then I tell you. I solve you, then I tell you. Okay? Can you keep your answer? I solve you in front of you, then you tell you answer. Okay? Clear, Arman? Arman.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Vansika, what is the answer? Vansika. Nibir.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Yes. What is the answer? You solve it or not?
Sir, I'm solving it, sir.
Okay,
Wait,
correct.
sir.
So I tell you the answer. I solve it. Okay. So this is answer. Again I tell you this is answer. What is this? I solve it. What is given? Given is that n equal to 2 is given. Then what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is 5,000 per centimeter. So 1 divided by 5,000. Clear? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Small n
Yes,
is given.
sir, I got the same
Yes,
answer.
a plus
Yes,
is
sir.
given. A plus given means 5,000 lines per centimeter. You know very well this is given. 5,000 lines per centimeter. So what is a plus b? A plus b is 1 upon 5,000. Theta is what given? Theta. What is the value of theta?
Sir, 30 degrees.
30 degree.
30
So what
degrees.
formula use? This is formula for getting a plus b sin theta is equal to n lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is a plus b sin theta divided by n. So a plus b means 1 divided by 5,000 into sin 30 degree divided by 2. N is equal to 2. So what is the value? Value is 5 into 10 minus 5 centimeter. Value is 5,000 angstrom. It is correct or not? Tell me. I saw this. Can you tell me what is the value? Value is correct
Yes,
or not?
sir, I got the same answer.
Hello? Yes,
Sir, I
Kapoor,
got the
sir.
same answer.
Yes, Kapoor, tell me if it is correct or not.
Yes, sir, I got the same answer.
Thank you. Good. If you got the same answer, you are correct. Okay? Anyone
Yes.
more who get the correct answer? Same answer.
Yes, sir. I also got
Yes,
the same
sir.
answer.
What is your name?
Sir, Sahil.
Sahil. Very good, Sahil. And anyone more?
Sir, me also.
What is your name?
Savidhi.
Very good, Shabazz. Everyone is, if you good. Anyone more? Who saw this?
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Okay. Anyone more? So it is correct. So I proceed further. Hello. Any doubt anyone need to ask me? Otherwise I proceed further. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, dear students.
Yes, sir.
So I proceed
Yes,
further.
sir.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question. You know this one. How many orders will be visible if wavelength of incident light is 5,000 angstrom and the number of lines per inch on the grating is 2620. So what is asking? The small n is asking about you. Okay? How many orders will be given when wavelength of light is given 5,000 from, and the number of lines per inch is given 2620 per inch. So keep in mind per inch. Then calculate the value of small n. Any one of you? Formula is same. A plus B sin theta equal to n lambda. Formula is same. A plus B sin theta equal to n lambda. Are you solve it?
Sir, theta is not given.
Yes, not given. But, yes, good. Who's asking this question?
Suggestion.
Oh, very good. So you know, you if theta is not given, then you have to use your mind. Okay. Without theta, you can't solve the question. Hello. So now, in the case when theta is not given, so assume that theta is 90 degrees. Clear? So you proceed the further experiment. Tell me the answer. If theta is not given, it is 90 degrees. Tell me the answer. Hello. Vidhi? Sahil?
Sir, I'm calculating. Wait.
Okay. But you keep in mind, the lines is given in per inch, not centimeter.
Sir,
Yes.
wait a second, sir.
Arman, yes, tell me, Arman.
Sir,
Arman, tell
1 second, calculation problem.
Okay. Anyone get answer? Otherwise, I proceed further. Hello, any one of you get answer?
Sir, it's coming m is greater than 19.
No. 90.
Sir, 19.
19. You are correct. Very good, Vidhi. Very good. You know what is A plus B? A plus B means 2600 per inch. So we have to convert to centimeter. One is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So the value is 2.54 divided by 2620. Theta is 90 degree, lambda is given. So I want to calculate the value of small n. So what is the value of small n? Small n is equal to A plus B sin theta divided by lambda. A plus B means 2.54 divided by 2620 into sin 90 into 5000 into 10 power minus 8. So what is the value? Value is nearly 19. Vidhi, you are good. Very good. Anyone more? Ariman, what do you answer? You know why I have taken 90? Because I have taken value of sin maximum value. So sin 90 is 1 maximum value. Yes.
सर ये दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें
Mine is
आखिरी
not
लाइन में
19 but 18 something.
Hello, yes.
Sir, perfect 19 नहीं आ रहा है, 19 something आ रहा है.
हाँ रे, it will be we have taken the whole number.
19.38.
हाँ, so 19. I will take it 19. Vidhi, what do you answer? Vidhi.
Sir, 19.4.
Oh, you have taken in whole number, so you take 19. Okay. Clear. Anyone more? Vanshika, you have to calculate your value. Vanshika, you get my sound?
Yes, sir.
You have to calculate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm calculating here. This one. Anyone have objection? Otherwise, I proceed further. Hello? I want to proceed further. Next question. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question is this. Light of wavelength 5000 from falls normally on a plane transmission grating having 15,000 lines in 3 centimeter. Find the angle of deflection for maximum intensity in the first order. Lambda is given, A plus is given, small n is given first order. What is asking question? What is asking in question?
Angle of diffraction.
Yes,
Sir,
very
angle.
good. Very good, Shabazz, very good.
Theta.
So, yes, good, Shabazz. Then you calculate the value of angle of diffraction. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, beta. You know all the values. Tell me the value of theta. You get the answer? Vidhi, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm calculating.
Okay, okay. Any one of you, Nibir? Sahil? Yash
One
Kapoor?
second, sir. Calculate.
Abhya, Ariman?
Sir, I'm calculating.
Okay, good.
Sir, it is coming around 48.5.
48.5 degree?
Yes, sir.
I'll see. But Vidhi, you are doing some mistake, I hope so.
Sir,
Can you repeat
14.47.
Yes.
So
Who give
14.4.
answer?
14.47.
Ah, yes, good. Who's given answer? Yuraj?
So Yuvraj, yes sir.
Yuraj Walia. And anyone more?
And
Sir,
some
mine.
other one also.
Sir, I'm also getting
14.47.
What is
14.4.
your name? Bhabya Singh.
Yes, sir.
Anyone more?
Sir, me.
Me means Siman Sharma.
Sir, Shivan, yes, sir. I'm also getting 14.4.
Okay, good. So you know this is answer. A plus is given. What is A plus? A plus means 15,000 lines per 3 centimeter. Sorry, 15,000 centimeter. So we divide by 3 divided by 15,000. So what is the answer? 1 upon 5,000. Lambda is given 1,000, 5,000. L is equal to 1 first order. Theta is question mark. So A plus B sin theta is equal to L lambda. Sin theta is equal to, you know, from figure. Sin theta is equal to L lambda divided by A plus B. L is given, lambda is given, A plus given. When I substitute this value, 0.025 and theta is equal to sine inverse 0.025. This value is 14.48 degree. Have you solved it or not? It is correct, Vidhi? Vidhi?
Yes, sir. Now it is coming correct.
My answer is correct? Yeah, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are doing mistake somewhere?
Yes, sir. It was some mistake in the
Okay,
calculation.
good. So no problem. It may be. Try to best. Okay. Satvik.
Same with me, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
good,
sir.
Good. Yes. Samir. Tell me, Samir. Samir, do you want to tell
Sir,
me?
I'm getting yes, sir. I want to tell. Sir, I'm getting 14, but I'm getting minus.
No.
Sign.
You are doing some mistakes. Kali check.
Yes, sir. Calculation.
I have already given you. Hello, my dear friend. I have already given calculation. You can see calculation, and you know check your
Yes,
answer.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm checking, sir.
Yes or no? Any doubt? Hello. Hello. Anyone have doubt? Any? So you know, again I proceed further. Next question. A grating has 6,000 lines per centimeter drawn on it. If width is 10 centimeter, then calculate the resolving power in the second order, and the smallest wavelength that can be resolved in the third order in 6,000 angstrom wavelength region. Write your question. What is this? What is asking? What is asking question? Hello? Hello? What is asking the question? Hello? Do you get my voice?
Find the resolving power.
So you can calculate this value, and next lecture I will check. Okay. One more question. You write one more question. You write here, and next I check this one. Write down.
Put this slide also on LMS.
Yes. Why not? Sure. First you solve
Yes.
them. I given homework. The
Okay.
sodium yellow doublet has wavelength 5890 angstrom and 5896 angstrom. What should be the resolving power of grating to resolve these lines? There are two questions I gave in homework. Kindly note down, and next turn I will discuss. Okay? Anyone had any doubt to ask me, my dear friend? Dear students, anyone have any doubt to ask me? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? My voice
No,
is
sir.
audible.
No doubt. No doubt.
No doubt.
You try the solve the questions, and then you discuss to me. Otherwise, I'll give you time. Then you discuss to me. Okay? Question answer. They are based on formula A plus B sine lambda for grating, and for the case of resolving power, lambda by d, lambda is equal to small n into capital N. A small number is the number of orders, and capital N is the number of rollings on the grating. Clear? So attendance, please. Mr. Jasandeep.
Present, sir.
Okay, just a minute.
Present.
Pranjal Arora. Rama.
Present, sir. Present, sir. Rama.
Divyam.
Present, sir.
Divyam.
Present, sir.
Mohit.
Present, sir.
Shekhar.
Present, sir.
Sahil.
Present, sir.
Vanshika.
Present, sir.
Beta, you have to get today. Not passing. Have you any problem in numericals? Vanshika.
No, sir. No, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Show the last question, sir.
Vidhi, you have done very good job today.
Thank you, sir.
Shivansh.
Present, sir.
Hiren.
Present, sir.
Shamir Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Sudiksha.
Present, sir.
Yash Kapoor.
Present, sir.
Vansveer.
Present, sir.
Vansveer.
Present, sir.
Sanket.
Present, sir.
Neha. Neha.
Present, sir.
Parth.
Answer.
Parth.
Present, sir.
Adit Rajput.
Present, sir.
Satvik.
Present, sir.
Adit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Prajwal Goswami.
Also present, sir.
Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Santanu Raj. Santanu. Santanu absent.
Parth Bansal present.
Naman.
Present, sir. Naman.
Yuvraj.
Present, sir.
Yuvraj Walia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kushagra.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Pragati.
Present, sir.
Hemang Bhatia,
Present, sir. Pragati,
Arvind,
present.
Present, sir.
Ariman,
Sir, Hemang present.
Present, sir.
Hemang.
Rakshit Malik,
Present, sir.
Aryan, Aryan,
Present,
Hemang, sir. Hemang. Hemang.
Nibir,
Present, sir. Nibir.
Anshuman Garg, Parth Bansal,
Parth Bansal present.
Babya Singh.
Present, sir.
Okay, thanks for anybody left for attendance?
Sir, have you marked me? Hemang
Hello?
Bhatia. Sir, have you marked me?
Tell me, anybody left for attendance?
So please name the absentees for
Sir,
the
can you
buyback.
please tell the please?
Just a minute. Yes, tell me.